Reasons you should never drink diet soda. Diet soda may appear to be a healthy and refreshing alternative to sugary soft drinks since it is low in calories, carbohydrates, and sugar. This bubbly beverage, however, may not be as innocent as it appears, especially if you consume multiple portions every day. Drinking too much diet soda, in fact, has been related to a number of negative side effects that can damage both long and short-term health. 1. Disrupt gut health. Artificial sweeteners contained in diet drinks may have a detrimental impact on your gut microbiota. Many facets of health, including immune function, food absorption, and heart health, are influenced by gut microbiota. 2. Erodes tooth enamel. Although diet soda does not include sugar like regular soda, it is extremely acidic and can harm your teeth if consumed on a daily basis. Diet sodas have a considerable effect on tooth enamel surface roughness, indicating a contribution to tooth erosion. 3. Causes headaches. Multiple servings of soda per day may produce headaches in some people. This is most likely due to artificial sweeteners like aspartame, which are commonly present in diet drinks. When ingested in large doses, aspartame has been related to a number of negative side effects. 4. Decreases bone density. Diet soda has a number of chemicals that can harm bone health and cause bone loss, such as caffeine and phosphoric acid. Drinking diet soda is connected to lower bone mineral density in women, a condition that might raise the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Furthermore, postmenopausal women who drink a daily serving of diet soda have a 14% increased risk of hip fracture. 5. Detrimental to heart health. People who consume diet soda on a daily basis have a greater chance of developing cardiac issues in the long run. It has been shown that women who consume at least 2 diet beverages each day have a greater chance of developing heart issues and dying from heart disease. Furthermore, diet soda has been linked to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, a collection of diseases that might raise your risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. 6. Higher sugar cravings. Artificial sweeteners in diet soda have the same impact on the brain's food reward circuit as conventional sugar, leading to increased appetite and food consumption. Artificial sweeteners are also substantially sweeter than conventional sugar and enhance sugar cravings and reliance, making it more difficult to cut back. 7. Increased weight gain. It was discovered that those who drank diet soda on a regular basis had larger gains in belly fat than those who didn't. 8. Linked to type 2 diabetes. Despite the fact that diet soda contains no calories or carbohydrates, it has been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes who used artificial sweeteners are more likely to have insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is when the body's capacity to use insulin to move sugar from the bloodstream into the cells is hindered, resulting in high blood sugar levels. Diet soda is devoid of nutrients, and excessive use has been linked to both short and long-term adverse effects. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.